Hey y'all, I'm Caroline. Welcome to the garden. Gardening is not only good for the body, but it's good for the soul. It's a healing place, a retreat from the fast-paced world around us. As the Southern Belle Pepper, I'm here to help you get started on your garden with simple, easy-to-follow tips. I hope you'll find some peace as you follow along. I'll meet you in the garden. Today I'm going to show you how to pot plants. I am planting basil, and because basil doesn't come back year after year, I usually put it in a pot, and that way I can move it around depending on the sun and shade and how much it needs. So I'm going to walk you through it. All you will need is your pot, some rocks, some soil, your plant, and some water. These are the only things you need. So I always start by putting the rocks on the bottom of the pot, just like that. And the reason for that is sometimes there will get too much water in the bottom, and this pot does have a hole at the bottom, but if it doesn't, you especially need to do this so that the water can drain the way it needs to. And next, I'm gonna, since this is a small plant, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the soil in there. And then I'll take it out of here, and you do that by just squeezing the edges, and then eventually pops right out. Set it in there so that this is just about this much below the lip of the pot. And then I'm going to finish putting the soil in. Boy, this basil smells very good. Love putting basil on pizzas. And since I need a little bit more soil, because you definitely want the soil to be right above the plant, I'm going to get some from just over here. And then just gently put it in there. Let's see if that's enough. I think a lot of people are afraid of really moving the plants around because they seem so delicate, but y'all, they really are not. They are tough, so feel free to move them around. Okay, come in close and see how this soil is in here. It's just below the lip, and it's right on the line of the original plant soil. So now I just water it in and put it in about 6 hours of sunlight. Herbs don't need quite as much as regular vegetables. And that's it. Enjoy!